We'll guide you through how to fix not being able to log into Facebook. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super annoying when you can't log into your Facebook account, so here's how you can fix that. So what you want to do is go below the login and actually go and click on forgotten password like so. It's likely you can't log into Facebook because you're using an incorrect password. So click there, and then what you can do is go and either enter the mobile number on your account, or at the bottom, click on search by email address instead. And then what we can do is go and find our account. So go and enter in your email. You can then click continue like so. Now in this case, it's trying to automatically log in, but you probably won't have this. So I'll just click on try another way. And when you go and enter your email, it should then go and give you the option to go and click on get code or link via email. So click there and you can then go and click on continue, and a code is then going to be sent to your email. I've now typed in the code and I'll go and click on continue like so, and we can now go and create a new password. You can choose if you wish to log out of other devices. I'm not going to though, and then you can press continue and that password will then go and be updated. You should then be automatically logged into Facebook, and if you aren't, then all you need to do is go and type in the new password and email you just set, and you should then be able to go and access it.